Hello guys, in today's video, we'll be talking about how to create YouTube videos with just your phone. You do not need any fancy equipment or camera to make professional cooking videos for your YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 6 simple steps to get you started with shooting videos for your YouTube channel. So the first step is to get your background. You can use a countertop, a table, chair, or a backdrop. As a beginner food content creator, natural light is going to be your friend. You can shoot close to a window or shoot outdoor. You can also use soft boxes if you have one. Next is your tripod. You need a phone holder to connect your phone to your tripod. If you do not have a tripod, do not worry. There are other alternatives. You can use a cup or a bowl to hold your phone. Check out my other video where I use the cup in place of a tripod to film a recipe. I will link it up here and in the description box. You can also check out the content creation starter pack. Everything will be linked in the description box. So when you have that sorted, the next step is to adjust your camera settings. Select 1080p 30 frames per second, or you can also film in 4K. Don't forget to clean your camera because you don't want blurry videos. Also, when filming, film with the rear camera. Turn on the grid lines to help with the composition as well. Once your settings are set, we move to step 4. Record a test shot to make sure everything is in order. Make sure you have your utensils ready and all your ingredients prepped. Before you start to record, you can put your phone on Do Not Disturb to avoid any notifications that can interrupt with your shoot. Guys, kindly subscribe and like if you're enjoying this video. Thank you. So go ahead and start recording your video. Don't forget to take a photo of your recipe for your thumbnail. The next step is to edit your videos after shooting. You can use InShot or CapCut in editing. You can join the waitlist for my beginner food videography and photography course to learn how to edit your videos and photos professionally with just your smartphone. The link is in the description box. So when it comes to the audio, you can record a voiceover after shooting your videos, either with your phone or a microphone. So the last step is to upload your videos to YouTube, and voila, you are done. Let me know in the comment section if you want a video on how to upload your videos to YouTube. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. Watch the content creation playlist next. See you in the next video.